Hi everybody, it's Zizi. Welcome. Today I am back with another delicious recipe. This is a homemade taco. I made everything from scratch. Okay, everything including the tortillas. If you want to know how I made this, make sure you watch the whole entire video. And if you are also new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button. You will be notified every time we upload. Or taco base. I'm actually making everything from scratch. So I got here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and it's wheat. And then I also got white, 1 cup, and a little bit of salt. And I got here some lukewarm water, and we're gonna go ahead and start mixing everything together, and we'll get just add your water little by little and keep mixing everything. So we're gonna add a little bit of water. I wonder how many ounces. I'll probably put all the ingredients under this description. Make sure you check it. You go ahead and check. For the looks, I'm gonna be finishing the rest of the water, and I'll make sure and go ahead and measure and tell you guys how many ounces of water went into 3 cups. Sorry, 3 cups of flour. Okay. Flour, and sprinkle all over your rolling mat. Just shaped like a baseball. Right, now we are done. We're gonna go ahead and transfer this back into the bowl, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I'm doing next. If you have OCD like me and you want everything to be perfect, you can go ahead and, now you got the perfect size. Okay, there we go. We're gonna go ahead and do the rest. Okay guys, while I was doing, I noticed it's way smaller than what I needed. So now I switched into different bowl. I am going to use this ball instead of the tiny one, and I'll show you guys the size difference. Okay, there it is. So I'm happy with this size. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick with this ball. Okay, our homemade tortillas. Add my cheddar cheese a little bit, and my oven is on. I'm gonna bake this 10 to 15 minutes, 350 degrees. And then after we got it out of the oven, we're gonna go ahead and add our cilantro. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bake this 10 to 15 minutes, 350 degrees, and I'll see you guys once it's out of the oven. This taco is absolutely delicious. I don't even know how else I'm going to describe. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.